Welcome to WSU. In this presentation, we will be looking at degree checklists, sometimes called course sequence sheets. We are going to be looking at what they are, where they are, why they're important to you, and how to apply them to your degree. Let's get started. So what is a degree sequence sheet? It is a list of classes and items that must be completed to satisfy all your degree requirements. They lay out a recommended order for taking classes to meet prerequisites. They may include tips and rules on how to work your way through the program. Some common terms that you'll use or see will be prerequisite, and that's a course that must be taken before the class in question. For example, Calculus 1 must be taken before Calculus 2. Calculus 1 is a prerequisite for Calculus 2. Co-requisite is a class that must be taken with the class in question. For example, the chemistry lecture is a co-requisite to the chemistry lab. A concurrent prerequisite is a class or series of classes that can be taken before or with another class or series of classes. However, if dropping the concurrent course, you may need to drop the class in question. Where are these degree checklists listed? How can they be found? Well, they are on the College of Engineering website. And if you go and search wichita.edu for College of Engineering, you will want to choose the first option that comes up, which is College of Engineering. From there, you can go to in this section. We're going to be looking for the Engineering Student Success Center. There you go. It's in the lower left-hand corner. And from that page, again, in this section, we're going to go to Engineering Academic Advising. We'll scroll down a little bit until you get to Find Your Degree Requirements. Once you're there, you can scroll through to look at all of the checklists or course sequence classes for whatever degree within engineering that you've chosen. Now, you may be noticing that there are years associated with that. The academic year is important to your degree sequence, so you want to note the semester and the year that you start classes. That will be your catalog term. So when we look at this, you want to select whichever checklist that belongs to you. So why are they so important? Why do you need to know this information? It's a great question, and being proactive with your education means you can prevent a delay in your graduation. It gives you a chance to explore the connection between your classes and your goals and to create a path to graduation. Adult learners are goal-oriented and relevancy-oriented. This idea means that adults want to see the connection between their curriculum and their goals. Reviewing the courses and activities involved in a specific program, you have the opportunity to determine the value of each class and how it applies to your goals. All right, how are you going to read and interpret your checklist sheet? You want to determine what classes you've already taken. You might be able to find that on DegreeWorks. Plan out what classes you need. Note any semester offerings, for example, and prerequisite and co-requisites. Ask yourself how many credit hours you want to take a semester. The more you take, the quicker you can move through the program. And think about how you want to complete your Engineering Plus requirements. In this example, we are looking at the computer science course sequence sheet. You will find that the catalog term is fall 2018. So think to yourself, have you already completed English 1, College English 2? These are the classes that you're going to want to take. Note how many hours per semester are required to move through the program. The fewer hours you take, the longer it will take you to get through your program. For example, in your senior year in the fall semester, if you're following the check sheet or the course sequence sheet, you're taking 17 credit hours. If you decide that you only want to take 12 credit hours at a time, that's 5 credit hours that will have to be pushed off to another semester. Also note on this particular checklist, you will see Engineering of 2020, also called Engineering Plus. Finally, you will note any significant information that you need to know. For example, at least 6 of the 12 technical elective hours must be from the Electrical Engineering and Computer Science department. Thank you for watching.